You ready for this?
Yeah, I don't have anything big enough for this. I'm ready.
What's up, everybody? I'm Tim Metz, and this is like riding a bike. This is my buddy Foo, right there. We've been friends since like 7th grade or something like that. Bike riding buddies and such. And this is our first bike packing trip. We're headed to Winters, California from Sacramento, and we're doing it on 90s mountain bikes. More specifically, the mountain bike I got for high school graduation in 1995. So, excited to have you with us. All right, we're on our 5-mile shakedown. How's your gear doing, Foo?
Good, just adjusting my grips.
Just adjusting grips.
A little bit high.
He's got high grips.
All right.
Nice. So far, so good. I think everything's kind of staying where it's supposed to stay. And just enjoying the beautiful scenery of the American River. You know what we got to do here, right? Yep. But we got to do the doozer. I'm doing it.
No, but you can't. He does it. Don't film it.
I got to do it.
Can't steal his thunder.
It's part of doozer. Ole, 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 ole. Where are you at, Foo?
I don't know the words.
We made it to Old Sac. We got some beautiful views, all sorts of stuff. We're 10, almost 11 miles in, killing it, having fun. It's gorgeous here, check it out. Ooh, beautiful. There's a bike race going on over there. Yeah, all right. We got about 20 miles left. Yeah.
20? That's it?
Yeah.
Have we gone
We're
20
almost,
miles?
No, we have 20 miles left. 20 miles left, dude.
What does that mean?
Means we got 20 miles left. We've gone 10.
It's only 30 miles.
Oh wait, yeah, you're right.
I'm like, what?
Well, we got like, okay, well,
We got 30 miles.
I never said I was good at math. Did I say I was good at math? When did I say I was good at math? But yeah, so we got what, 30 miles left?
Yeah.
Cool. Up next is the Causeway, which is notorious for just sucking. So we're gonna do that, and you'll see it. Like riding a bike. Ready to get on the Causeway?
Let's do it.
This is my least favorite part of the ride.
All right.
It's gonna be good though. We're gonna do good. Hopefully we pass some cars. Sometimes you gotta stop for a cow taking a bath. We did it, Boo! How was it?
Oh, just very loud.
It was very loud.
Very loud.
We were lucky it wasn't very windy.
Yeah.
But that was loud.
So loud. If it weren't for the wind, that would have been, I mean, the noise, that would have been nice.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Fun fact. Fun fact, there's about 300,000 bats, I think, living under that bridge.
Oh, yeah.
And, yeah. And you can come out and see them. Davis! We're in Davis! That's what they say anyway. All right, what are we at? 20. We're at 22 miles, Foo. How you feeling, bud?
Good.
Yeah, we're keeping a nice pace. Not going too fast. Going under an overpass. Is he doing it? Is he doing it? I don't know if he's doing it.
I can't do it.
Ole, ole, ole. Sometimes you just got to do it. It's nice to not hear the freeway. Jeez, we're gonna hear it again in just a second though. It's right over here. Yeah, all right. Watch out for those trees. Ah. Yep, Davis. What's going on, dude?
The seat just shifted on me.
Shifting seats. We like shifting seats.
Oh, that sucks.
We're at the lovely UC Davis campus, and Foo's seat was loose, so we gotta retighten it so that you can finish the journey with us, because you know, it's not Top Gear. I'm not gonna leave him behind, because you know that's what we would do if we were in Top Gear. Hopefully it's not the post. Is it the post?
No, it's just this. It really is.
Just a little tightening. Came loose. Maybe a little Loctite next time.
Seriously.
So also using Google Maps, and pretty sure that they're leading us in the weirdest bicycle way possible. Like, it's been gorgeous, like going through those redwoods that you just saw and everything, but doesn't seem straight liney. It seems a lot less than a straight line, maybe a zigzag. So anyway, Foo's torquing down that bolt, and we'll be good to go.
So how far does this pathway take us?
I don't know, this is gonna take us a while. Well, oh shit, see, my battery's like mostly dead now. So that was most of Davis. I guess we just used it as a little pit stop. The bicycle infrastructure is really amazing there though. Super cool to see all that. I don't ride my bike in Davis much. I always just drive. So, but it's nice to do it. It's like, look at these bike paths. I mean, shoot. It's great. made it to the Stevenson Creek Bridge. It says we have 14 miles left to go. How you doing, man?
Good.
Yeah. It's nice. That bike trail was sick, dude. I had no idea that that was even there. Now we're on what are we? We're actually on Putah Creek Road. We're about to get to where we're going. This bridge is pretty iconic. It's got some graffiti all over the place. Graffiti's pretty rad. In nut country. Looks like we made it to Winters. Oh my gosh, this is a ride. 42 miles, my watch says. Food's coming up. It's kind of brutal. We're gonna get there. It's pretty hot. Starting to get closer. We're almost there. I had a tough time in Winters. For some reason my stomach is pretty upset, so I haven't eaten enough. But food's back there. Here comes the car. Just trying to get through this. Broken glass. Awesome. Thanks for the space, bro. A couple of little tiny hills, but nothing too bad. You just gotta crank up. About to get to our turn, then we're almost there. So close. It's amazing how everything's changed, like all the scenery. We have hills. This is beautiful. Hope food's not too far back there. We made it to camp, but I'm learning some things. Bikepacking is no joke. Man, it's just been like, seriously, like how long have we just been sitting here? Like trying to recover some sort of like sense. That last few miles was just kind of a killer for us. And I was having a tough time in Winters. I was feeling better on the bike. Got my tent set up. Backcountry Mountain Smith. One person. It's nice. I was a little concerned about it at first, but now I'm happy with it. But yeah, so Foo's bike made it. My bike made it. 90s mountain bikes. It's where to be. That's how you bike pack. Actually, I don't know how you bike pack. We're figuring it out. We don't know anything. So yeah, we're learning that we're tired. We're old and we're tired. We're out of shape, and it's kind of kicking our butts right now. But yeah, see what happens later. And what actually happened later was my batteries ran out. So GoPros are really battery hungry. So I had no idea that they were so battery intensive. So yeah, anyway. It's a funny thing, I got a text message from my wife when I was there that my daughter was sick, and I think that that's actually what happened to me as well. Like when I was in winters, I was feeling really terrible. My stomach was really upset. The whole trip, I only ate about 2 slices of pizza and a couple of bars for 50 miles of bike riding, so that definitely wasn't enough. So Fu and I went to bed at like 7:30, not feeling very well, and we woke up pretty early the next morning, and we were out of there, packed up and out of there by 7:30 in the morning, and we went straight up a hill and saw some wonderful hot air balloons that were just incredible. It was so neat to see those. Beautiful morning. I wasn't able to take much video. I was trying to save whatever I could battery-wise with my phone. So I did take this one little clip that you're watching now, which is really wonderful. We were on Pleasance Valley Road, and we took that all the way down to Vacaville, and then through Vacaville to Fairfield, where we caught the train, and we took the train back to Sacramento, and then we rode from Sacramento back to our houses. So all in all, I would 100% do this trip again. It was a great overnight trip. I can't wait to do it again. I hope I can do it again when I'm a little bit more healthy. So in terms of like not being sick, that would be great. And I look forward to doing it again. So anyway, this is Tim Metz reminding you what it's like riding a bike, and I hope you guys like and subscribe and do all that stuff, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.